सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Page 309, verse 199. कोऽयमात्मेत्येवमादौ सर्वत्रात्मविचारतः उभयात्मकमारभ्य कूटस्थशेष्यते श्रुतौ. Vidyaranya, analyzing the important portion of Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Kimichan kasya kamaya shariram anusanjvaret. Kasya kamaya word we are analyzing. For whose sake a jnani desire is the question. Kasya kamaya. For whose fulfillment sake a jnani desire. Who is that bhokta? The experiencer, the enjoyer. Now the analysis of that enjoyer or the experiencer being done here in this portion. Experiencer can be Kutastha or Chidabhasa or Ubhayatmaka, both mixed together, can be enjoyer. Possibilities are, options are available in front. Because when I say I am experiencer, I am enjoyer, whenever we say, there are three components: body, mind and chit, atma. RM, RC and OC. This RM is called Antahkarana Upadhi. We can take it as Antahkarana Upadhi. Upadhi means a medium. Antahkaranam is the medium here. Because gross body cannot be the experiencer. Gross body is the outer shell. This is outer, what you can call sheath. But inside the subtle body, Antahkaranam is the medium. In that Antahkaranam alone, the Chidabhasa is formed. RC is formed. This RC is there when I say I am. That RC is called Ahankara or Chidabhasa. In English, short form RC, reflected consciousness. Whenever we say I am, I know, I am experiencing, I am enjoying, this RC is there. We have ruled out this Kevala Chidabhasa cannot be the experiencer because Niradhishtana Chidabhasa doesn't exist. The last class I said Chidabhasa cannot exist without Chit. Chidabhasa doesn't exist. Kevala Chidabhasa. Kevala Chidabhasa means Chit Rahita Chidabhasa. Kevala Chidabhasa. Without OC, RC doesn't exist. Just as without original face, reflected face doesn't exist. Similarly, this Kevala Chidabhasa doesn't exist at all Where is the question of experiencing bhoktrutvam? How can it be bhokta? First of all, existence itself is not possible. Kevala chidabhasa. Where is the question of bhoktruta? Ruled out. Kutastha is asangaha. Therefore, kevala kutastha also cannot be the bhokta. Kevala kutastha also cannot be the bhokta. To be bhokta, it must have some association. Without association, you cannot be a bhokta. Without vikara, you cannot be a bhokta. Therefore, kutastha bhoktrutvam also, kevala kutastha bhoktrutvam also ruled out. Asangatvat, nishkriyatvat, nirvikaratvat. Therefore, pariseshan nyayena, mixture, ubhayatmakaha, RC plus OC, or kutasthaha plus chidabhasa put together, we have taken it as bhokta. Every one of us, when we are bhokta, RC, OC mixture is a bhokta. This is natural for everyone. Upanishad accepts this mistake done by a student. What bhokta means ubhayatmakaha. Upanishad accept that mistake. What mistake? Experiencer bhokta must be RC plus OC. Upanishad as though comes down to our level and accept our mistake to continue for some time until self-enquiry starts. For the sake of self-enquiry, for the sake of Atma Vicharana, Upanishad accept this mistake done by the student also. As though Upanishad doesn't know, Upanishad also joins with us. Upanishad joins with us for some time for this superimposition, for this mistake. We do not know it is a mistake also. Upanishad also walks along with us for some time. Once you start doing enquiry with this ubhayatmaka marabhya. Arabhya means taking the upadhi, antahkarana upadhi sahita. Chidabhasa, kutastha sahita bhokta arabhya. Later, Upanishad says, kutasthaha avaseshitaha. Once you find out the bhokta, who is real bhokta, once you start enquiry with the help of this ubhayatmakam bhokta, you come to know this chidabhasa bhokta, bhoktrutvam along with chit, sakshi, the self, and the ahankara, the chidabhasa self. One is adhara chaitanyam, another is adhishtana chaitanyam, bimba chaitanyam, sakshi chaitanyam. In this ubhayatmakam, two are there. Sakshi chaitanyam kutastha is there, and pratibimba chaitanyam, that is abhasa chaitanyam also there. Abhasa chaitanyam means chidabhasa chaitanyam. Kutastha chaitanyam like a sakshi chaitanyam is called adhara chaitanyam. Kutastha chaitanyam or sakshi chaitanyam or OC is called adhara chaitanyam. And in that ubhayatmaka bhokta, another one is what? Abhasa chaitanyam or chidabhasa or RC. Both mixed together bhokta. So the student do not know sakshi, adhara chaitanyam separately and abhasa chaitanyam separately. The student do not know when he is doing or she is doing Atman enquiry in initial stages. So Upanishad says continue. Do your sadhana, do your enquiry. then the student only has to do this job. Teacher cannot do anything. Teacher can teach, that's all. Student only has to understand intellectually this Ubhayatmaka Bhokta Dvara. When I am doing enquiry, student come to know who is real, who is unreal. Sakshi Chaitanyam, Adhara Chaitanyam is real. This Abhas Chaitanyam or reflected consciousness or Chidabhasa is in this Bhokta mixture. One is unreal, one is real. In Bhokta mixture, one is real, one is unreal. Who is unreal, who is real also student should decipher intellectually. Sharp intellect. Student has to use with alert mind. For that only example I gave in the last class. Continuously I was talking about mirror, reflecting medium, mirror and reflected face and original face. I was talking, my God. You might have bored up with that, I think so. Because I have no other way, I have to talk about that example. We are not interested in reflected face. We are using the reflected medium to see the original face through the medium. When the reflected face is formed in the medium, I can make use of that reflected face to recognize original face. To recognize my original face, I use the reflected face. Recollect the example. I am not interested in reflected face, but I have to use the reflected face to recognize the original face. Reflected face cannot be formed without reflecting medium. Therefore, mirror is required, reflected face is required to recognize my original face. I love my original face even wherever Kannadi is available. Vidamal. Car Kannadi, scooter Kannadi, even side also. Next it is there sudden. Evada love parunga, original face male, evada love. How much love we have. Everyone loves. Even ugly person also thinks I am a beautiful, charming, handsome. Ugly face. Ugly person also never thinks I am ugly. He loves himself. That is called unconditional love. Unconditional love is that without any conditions you love. You need not be beautiful to love your face. You need not be beautiful. What is unconditional love? Best example I feel. See, when your teeth bite your tongue, many times it happens. Every one of us might have experienced. Between 32 teeth, the soft tongue is managing. Many times it bites and blood also comes. But you never take out your tooth out. Let this pallu take out. Dentist, come on, remove this pallu because it has given me pain. No. I love because I love myself. Whatever belongs to me, I love that. So that self-love is so powerful. Unconditionally I love. Without any conditions. That is called self-love. Therefore, person understands, just as in example, original face I love, here also, what is fake, what is real. Fake one none of us love. A fake one can never be loved by us. A real one only is loved by us. Gold covering ornaments you love, or original gold you love. Rolled gold they say. Rolled gold. Fake gold we never love. Real gold we love. Similarly, here also, fake Chidabhasa, reflected consciousness, is fake, unreal. Vedantic term is what? Mithya. Fake one is called Mithya or unreal. The fake one to form, Abhasa Chaitanyam to form, some original must be there. That original is called Chit. Original Adhara Chaitanyam Vina, without, can Abhasa Chaitanyam is formed? Never. Therefore, fake, Mithya, Chidabhasa, reflected consciousness is unwanted. I want that only for this Chit to own up. Continue the example. Even though my face is so close, I am touching, but I cannot see it. Similarly, I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, myself, I cannot claim pure consciousness, pure Kutastha Chaitanyam cannot claim I am Kutastha Chaitanyam. To claim I am Kutastha Chaitanyam, I need Abhasa Chaitanyam. In Abhasa Chaitanyam only vritti takes place, Jnana vritti takes place. Aham, Adhara Chaitanyam, Kutastha Chaitanyam, Jnana vritti takes place. Therefore, Abhasa Chaitanyam is helpful, useful, but it is not real. Therefore, I have to separate intellectually both of them. Sakshi Chaitanyam or Adhara Chaitanyam. That is my real nature. To recognize I am Adhara Chaitanyam, real I, to recognize I am Sakshi Chaitanyam, I need the support of Abhasa Chaitanyam. Even though I need this Abhasa Chaitanyam, I understand this Abhasa Chaitanyam also is a part of I am, but that lower I, Abhasa Chaitanyam, is not my real nature. This Abhasa Chaitanyam alone is playing the husband role, father role, mother role, brother role, sister role, every role, and rolling. I have to understand they are all unreal. Because original I, this Adhara Chaitanyam, doesn't have any relations. It doesn't have husbandhood, fatherhood, motherhood. Kutastha Chaitanyam doesn't have. Therefore, understanding that I am Kutastha Chaitanyam, play your role with Abhasa Chaitanyam, with the world. Never be disturbed whatever is happening in Abhasa Chaitanya Sahita, Antakarana Sahita, Stula Sharira Sahita. All roles never be disturbed. You can never correct the Anatma body-mind complex. You can never make it perfect. Kutastha Adhara Chaitanyam perfection doesn't require. Therefore, never perfect Abhasa Chaitanya Sahita Buddhi Manasu you want to claim as yourself. Ever perfect Adhara Chaitanyam, I am Adhishtanam of all minds, I am Adhishtanam of all Antakaranams, I am Adhishtanam of entire universe, you want to claim. Decide. Decide. You have to decide. If you claim this as yourself, you have to pay the price. Sorrow, insecurity, unhappiness, fear continues. If you claim, I am a party, I am a tata, I am a mother, I am a brother, padu maname padu. Adella drama ni therinji irunda, you watch the drama as a drama serial 350th episode. Marakadam. Going on and on and on. Serial. All serials are serious. Even though serials are serious, are you serious really? You are enjoying the serious serial. Listen carefully. My every word is important. You are enjoying the serious serial. Even though characters are very serious, they are not serious for you. You don't take it as serious. Why? It is a drama. Life is also a drama. Brother-in-law, troubling, drama. Daughter-in-law, troubling, drama. Mother-in-law, troubling, drama. It's entertainment. Just as you don't take serial as serious, even though there is serious problem in the serial, similarly, Jnani doesn't take this life as serious, even though there is a serious problem. He or she, the Jnani, consider it as a sport drama, not serious. By seeing the serious problem in the body, serious problem in the family, serious problem in the society, okay, that is the nature of the serial. It is the nature of the serial characters. எப்பவுமே சிரிச்சுட்டே இருப்பான சீரியல்ல. Comedy only is there. Who will see that drama? Climax is required, tragedy is required, comedy is required. Then only you enjoy. Separation is required, unity, association is required. All are required. சிலர் அழுவார், சிலர் சிரிப்பார், சிலர் அழுதுகொண்டே சிரிப்பார் in drama. In life also, அதே மாதிரி தான். Another drama. That's why Swamiji was telling, we don't require TVs and any things, because we don't require to see serials, because every student story is a serial for us. Every student's life, they are coming and telling their problem is a serial. Our own life is also a serial for us. Why we want any other TV for separate serial? இதுக்கே டைம் இல்லை, அதெங்க பார்க்க முடியும்? For these serials itself there is no time to see. Where is the question of? அது என்ன சமயம் வேணும், உட்காரணும். You have to switch on power வேணும். இதுக்கு ஒன்றும் அவசியம் இல்லை. 24 hours available. Therefore, look into the shloka. Koyamatma iti evam adau. Aitareyopanishad, the two students are asking, Koyamatma, Kataraha sa atma, Koyamatma vayam upasmahe is the mantra. Which atma shall we meditate upon? Sakshi Chaitanyam we should meditate upon, or Abhasa Chaitanyam we should meditate upon? Tell me now. Soham, Soham, Soham. Which Chaitanyam? Between these two, Abhasa Chaitanyam or Adhara Chaitanyam? Adhara Chaitanyam can exist without Abhasa Chaitanyam. Abhasa Chaitanyam doesn't exist without Adhara Chaitanyam. Therefore, who exists without whom? That is Adhara Chaitanyam, I am. I can exist without reflected face. My original face exists. But original face exists without reflected face. Reflected face cannot exist without original face. Similarly, here Adhara Chaitanyam, I am. Without Abhasa Chaitanyam also, I exist. What is the proof? Sleep. In deep sleep, enna Abhasa Chaitanyam irukke? Chidabhasa Chaitanyam irukka sleepla? Kadiyadu. Naan irukkena illaya? Adhara Chaitanyama irukke naan. Ever existing. But Abhasa Chaitanyam is not available in sleep. Therefore, who exists all the time, that is real? Own up that real Atma. Sarvatra Atma Vicharataha. Not only Aitareya Upanishad, Adau means many other places also. It is discussed. Ubhayatmakaha arabhya. Ubhayatmakam arabhya. Kutastaha sheshyate. Kutastha only remains. Why? Real Chaitanyam. Kutastha, I the Sakshi Chaitanyam am real. Therefore, avasishyate. Shrutau, in the Shruti, Brihadaranyaka, Aitareya, in many other Upanishads also, That Shastra says Kutastha only Satyam, Nityam, Satyaha, Nityaha, Ekaha, Sarvagataha, Avyayaha, Akarta, Abhokta. Bhokta, it's in the Abhokta Kutastha Chaitanyam, I am. Now who is Bhokta? Now Bhokta is there really? Tell me. There is no Bhokta. Once you understand I am Kutastha Chaitanyam, there is no Bhokta. Shastra gives another example also. In olden days, in villages, when they are cooking and all, they have a adup. Not gas stove and all, adup. And the firewood. When we are putting firewood inside, we have to push inside the firewood. And you take a big stick and push all the firewood inside the adup. When you push only, all the firewood can burn. After pushing, have you done that? I did it when I was young. Those who did it, they know. When you push it, afterwards, this also stick also get burnt. And push it and you also throw it, this also. Similarly, here, Abhasa Chaitanya is like a stick. Pushing, put inside and gone. Abhasa Chaitanya. Even cremation ground, burial ground also, they do that only. With a big stick, they push every firewood, and that also finally push in that. Best example for Abhasa Chaitanya. Remember that. There is no tatparyam in that kattai. It serves to gather the firewood. Afterwards, you don't look at it. By that time it has got burnt. Better throw it out. Adu madri. Okay. Very, very nice sloka. I love this topic. Go to the next sloka. 200. Kutastha satyatam swasmin nadhyasyatma vivekatah tatvikim bhoktrutam matva na kadachid jihasati. A question may arise. Why this Abhasa Chaitanyam is not giving up that bhoktrutvam? I am experiencer, I am enjoyer, I enjoyed Deepavali so much, I enjoyed sweets so much, I enjoy this, that, and why this is telling actually? Why it is not leaving that bhoktrutvam? I brought up my children very nicely. I am a good father, I am a good mother. Always from morning to till night, I have done this, I have accomplished this, I have did this, and all the time, why it is claiming like that? And this ahankara does what? Mischievous ahankara. Culprit. Rumba culprit. Enna pannum? The reality of this Sakshi Chaitanyam it takes. Having taken the reality of this Sakshi Chaitanyam and enjoying the Bhokta status along with Chit, and this Abhasa Chaitanyam, Ahankara, don't want to leave that enjoyership. I don't want to live. Let me enjoy. Enjoy. Does it exist individually? Independently? Really? It doesn't exist. But how it is enjoying that enjoyerhood, borrowing the reality of Adhara Chaitanyam. This is fake. Taking the reality of the Sakshi Chaitanyam and enjoying the status of Bhoktrutvam and enjoy for some time. Vidlame. Enjoy for some time and say it is not my status, this belongs to only Sakshi Chaitanya. Solla vedamo. Solladu. Panchadashi Vikas poi ukkanada sollum. Without Vedanta class, without scriptural study, can this Bhokta, Chidabhasa, can obediently accept, oh, my Bhokta status is because of you, only Sakshi Chaitanyam. I am very, very grateful to you. Vedakudadu, niye vechuko. In the status, enak kadiyadu, I am not having originally anna. Ama sasadhyamana abhasa chaitanyam ide ahankaram. It cheats the person. Na jihasat. It doesn't want to give up motherhood. I am your mother. Enna nenichirukkenni? Enna ahankarama paarengo. I am your wife. Who you are thinking? Ahankara. Na enna yajamana veetukku. I am a husband. Avarin sammanyam ellarume. What the servant also. Everyone plays the ahankara role, commanding, demanding, as though they are all real. Enna pandrathu parungo. Look into the shloka. Kutastha satyatam swasmin adhyasya. Kutastha satyatam. Adhara chaitanya, sakshi chaitanya satyatam. This is original. This is real. Sakshi chaitanyam. Taking its, superimposing upon itself. Who? Abhasa chaitanyam. Taking the reality of sakshi chaitanyam and superimposing upon itself. Adhyasya. Why it is doing that job? Avivekataha. Not studying the scriptures, not going to the class, not attending the Panchadashi class, Upanishad class, avivekataha. Tatvikim bhoktrutam matva. And taking this bhoktruta as real. Pavam Swamini, nalla solli kudukranga. Pavam Swamini nalla solli kudukranga. Nee enna. Na ippaditha irupe, evla kashtam enakku. Vesham pandrathu parungo. Doesn't want to claim I am Sakshi Chaitanya. That means what? It is cheating you. Not cheating the teacher. Cheating the student. Who? That Bhokta. Tatvikim. It is real. That reality of that Bhoktruta borrowed from where? From the Sakshi Chaitanyam, Adhara Chaitanyam. Having borrowed, superimposed upon this Abhasa Chaitanyam, it is taking it as real husbandhood, brotherhood, fatherhood, motherhood. I am enjoyer. As a father, I am enjoying. As a mother, I am enjoying. As a son, I am enjoying. And the enjoyerhood really borrowed from where? Sakshi Chaitanya. Not knowing that, taking it as real and don't want to give up. In the slokam, one by heart panni, 24 hours chant pannanu to get nishtha. Okay. Tatvikim bhoktrutam matva. Having considered that bhoktruta, this ahankara, abhasa chaitanyam, taking it as real, it doesn't want to give up. Na jihasati kadachit. At any time, in spite of 10 years of study of Vedanta, 20 years of study of Vedanta, what to talk of ordinary people? Vedanta vandinde, after Abhasa Chaitanyam, Adhara Chaitanyam, ettana Upanishad padichirkom? How many Upanishads? Prasthana Trayam. Am I ready to give up this ahankara? That is so powerful. Mithya ahankaran pudichandi, we are all playing our roles. Na jihasati. Kadachit na jihasati. Why? It is considering it as tattviki. Because of what? Avivekataha. Because of ajnana. Because of ignorance. So, ahankara, bhoktrutam always will have a problem. Because it is false. If you take it as a false one as real, what will happen? There is no snake at all, false snake, you are taking it as real. What you will do? You cry. Similarly, this false ahankara, motherhood, fatherhood, story after story, story after story. கண்டினியூஸ்லி டாக்கிங். ஃபோன்ல இமெயில்ஸ்ல எல்லாமே பொண்ணு பொண்ணு பொண்ணு, பையன் பையன் பையன், அப்புறம் பேத்தி பேத்தி பேத்தி, பேரன் பேரன் பேரன். என்ன பைத்தியம் இது! என்ன என்ஜாய் இட் ஆஸ் எ டிராமா, டசன்ட் மேட்டர். யூ கேன் என்ஜாய் அனாத்மா பிரபஞ்சம் ஆஸ் எ ஸ்போர்ட், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். பட் யூ கிவ் இட் ரியாலிட்டி, யூ ஹாவ் டு பே த பிரைஸ் ஆர் நாட். You have to pay the price. What is the price, you know? Sorrow, unhappiness, ashanti. Who is the cause for our ashanti, tell me? Who is the cause for our insecurity? Who is cause for our sorrow? My ignorance alone is the cause. Not handling my ignorance and trying to manipulate the people in the family, the society, the world, and Bhagavan also. அவனு திட்டுறது போதுமா? நம்ம பண்ற அக்கிரமம் கொஞ்சமா கொஞ்சமா. அஜ்ஞானம் இருந்தா எவ்வளவு ப்ராப்ளம் பாருங்க. I love this sloka. Look into the sloka. Kutastha satyatam. Anvaya is like this. Avivekataha swasmin kutastha satyatam adhyasya atma avivekataha. What avivekam? Self ignorance. Atma avivekataha swasmin. Swasmin means kasmin? Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa upon itself. Swasmin upon itself. Kutastha satyatam. The reality of the kutastha. Adhyasya, superimposing, borrowing the reality of the kutastha as its own, and its bhoktruta tatvikim bhoktrutam matva, that enjoyerhood as real it considers. Having borrowed the reality from kutastha, this chidabhasa, because of atma ajnanam, this ahankara becomes real, and the enjoyerhood also real. For this, after taking reality to that, I don't want to give, like a baby. இந்த பொம்மை எல்லாம் பிடிச்சுன்னு I don't want to give. Father only வாங்கி கொடுத்தான். Afterwards, give to brother, younger brother. கொடுக்க மாட்டேன். I don't want to give up. Why baby does like that? Ignorant, no? Baby. Possessiveness. This ahankara also have that possessiveness. My daughter, my son, my son, my daughter, my daughter, my son. Yenda ahankara manna. And thinking it is real, not ready to leave it also, suffer. And suffer. So my suffering is because of my self-ignorance. In a quotation, my suffering in life is because of my self-ignorance. So, I want to come out of my suffering, and my self-knowledge alone is the solution for my ananda, for my happiness. My self-knowledge alone is solution for removal of suffering. Once self-ignorance is the cause for suffering, what must be the solution? Self-knowledge is the solution. How I get self-knowledge? வீட்டில் உட்கார்ந்து சாம்பார் பண்ணிட்டேன்னா self-knowledge வருமா? இல்லைன்னா ஆஃபீஸுக்கு போயிட்டே இருந்தேன்னா self-knowledge வருமா? கொஞ்சம் கிளாஸுக்கு வரணும் இல்லையோ, படிக்கணும் இல்லையோ? Some reason or other, I want to skip the class. I want to skip the class. என்னென்ன யாருக்கு நஷ்டம்? By that time, you decades and decades you spend, life become waste. Next shloka. Anvaya kutastha satyatam adhyasya. Second line. Bhoktrutam tatvikim atma. Tatvikim atma iti matva kadachit na jihasati ayam. Ayam kadachit na jihasati. Ayam means this bhoktruta. It will never ready, it will be never ready to give up that bhoktruta. Therefore, never claim any enjoyerhood that belongs to Kutastha Chaitanya. Kutastha never claim bhoktruta. If ahankara claims it does not belong to it, then who will claim? I enjoy. Come on, tell me. Therefore, mauna vyakya, chumma irundhu sukham peru, pesade, vada vada vadani pesade, veetla. Next shloka. Bhokta swasyaiva bhogaya patijayadimichhati esha laukika vrittantah shrutya samyaganuditah. The bhokta atma is because of aviveka. Atma means self. I am the enjoyer. We are telling. Yes, I am. I have enjoyed Panchadashi class today. Okay, I have enjoyed Panchadashi class today. I am the enjoyer of Panchadashi. Tell me, who is the enjoyer? That is why Jnani never say, I am happy, I am unhappy. No unhappiness, no happiness also. And happiness also belongs to Bhokta. Unhappiness also belongs to Bhokta. Adinale Bhokta ve poi. Adinale don't say anything. Jnani never say that. Look into the shloka. Again, Brihadaranyaka. Patijayadikam. I love my husband, I love my wife. Jaya means wife. A person says, wife says, I love my husband, I love my children. Husband says, I love my wife, I love my children, I love my grandchildren. Pati jayadikam. Adipadatha peti paran. Okay? Adipadatha servants, car, vehicles, possessions, money, wealth, whatever we are having. House, etc. Jayadikam. Pati means husband, Jaya means wife, Adipadatha peti paran. Okay? Next, yaar varva kutti kutti. Adipadatha. Bhogaya swasya eva. Bhokta, the enjoyer. Swasya eva, for oneself. The enjoyer for oneself only loves one's own spouse, the partner. As long as husband is honey, 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 he says, I love my partner. Sheni, sonna? I don't love. Money, and keta? I don't love. Pati jayadikam. As long as son gives money, I love. Son comes and takes care of me, I love my son. If he is not giving money, he is not taking care of me, no son. Pondati vandadukku appuram mari poche. Mother, same son, love has changed. Swasmin, swasya eva bhogaya. For my bhoga only, for my enjoyment only, I love my wife, I love my husband, I love my children, I love my car, I love my house for my sake. Sadhana, sadhya. Ananda, to get ananda, to be happy is my goal. Yes or no? Everyone's goal is what? I want to be happy, I want to be happy, I want to be happy is my goal. To be happy through pati or wife, husband or wife or children, sadhyam. They are all called sadhyam. Means of entertainment, means of joy. They are called sadhyam. Sadhanam. They are called sadhanam. Wife is a sadhanam. Husband is a sadhanam. Means of happiness. To get happiness. They are sadhanam. Happiness is sadhyam. Am I interested in sadhyam or sadhanam? Car is giving joy to me because it is taking me to destination. I am happy with car or destination. I love with car because it takes me to destination. I am not loving car for car's sake. The car is helping me to reach the destination. I am interested in reaching destination. Sadhyam, the goal. I love the means for the sake of goal. Similarly, here my ananda is my goal. I love my wife, which is the means for my goal, which is ananda. Sadhanam. Wife is the sadhanam for husband to get ananda goal. Husband is sadhanam for wife to get the ananda goal. Goal means sadhyam. Children are sadhanam for parents to get ananda goal. House is sadhanam. Bhogya vastu. Bhogya vastu is called sadhanam. Therefore, son is bhogya vastu for parents. Wife is bhogya vastu for husband. Husband is bhogya vastu for wife. Children are bhogya vastu for parents. Parents are bhogya vastu for children. Are you interested in bhogya vastu or bhoga ananda? Bhoga, sadhyam, not sadhanam. I love sadhanam, but not for sadhanam's sake. I love sadhanam for my sadhyam, that ananda's sake. Is this fact or not? How much? How much percent it is fact? 1%, 2%, 10% or 50%? 100% it is fact. You cannot say, no, Swamini, I love my husband. For what sake you are loving? For my ananda I love. This is, in Telugu we say, Jagamerigina Satyam. Jagamerigina Satyam kada avaru solrar. Laukika Vruttantaha. It is the fact known to everyone in the world. Everyone knows. I never love for money's sake. I never love money for money's sake. Because money gives me ananda, I love money. Now you love ananda or money? I love ananda through money. Money is not for money's sake. I love wife for my ananda's sake, not for wife's sake. Jayayai kamaya, jaya priyana bhavati. Wife is not really lovable, but for my ananda only I love her. You have to analyze this. Analyze. Analyze into ukkarinda ellaru kuda discuss pannadungo. You are in trouble, I am also in trouble. Better to sit alone and do analysis. Patijayadikam ichchati bhogaya swasya eva bhogaya bhokta ichchati. Laukika vrittantaha yeshaha. This is laukika vrittantaha. We are seeing in the world, every family. Namma family lo kuda paathandu irukome. Panam nariya irundanna, oh, how are you? When did you come? Stay for some time. Panam irunda. Illanna? When are you going? When are you going, they ask. If you have money, status, stay for some time. I love you so much. They won't love you. They love your status. Namakku adu theriyamale achi pichu maadhiri ukkarundirukkum. They love your status only. Who says? Shrutya. Shrutya samyak anuditaha. This is said by Upanishad, restated by the Upanishad. Anuditaha means restated. Whatever we know already. We know already. Upanishad is restating. Don't say Brihadaranyaka Upanishad Agnivalkya said. Agnivalkya said what is happening in the world. He said the same fact. Unmai solrar அவர் அவ்வளவுதான். உலகத்தில் இருக்கிற உண்மை அவர் பேசுறார். அப்படி தவிர யாக்னிவல்கர் ஒன்றும் சொல்லலை. புரியுறதா? அவன் யாக்னிவல்கர் மைத்ரேயி சொல்றார் இப்படின்னு, ஆத்மனஸ்து காமாய சர்வம் பிரியம் பவத்து. உலகம் பார்த்துட்டு அவர் சொல்றாரு. அந்த லௌகிக விற்த்தாந்தா ஏஷா ஸ்ருத்யா அனூதிதா, ரிப்பீட்டட், ரீஸ்டேட்டட். ஆனாலும் இது வெளியில சொல்றதுக்கு தயக்கம். We hesitate to say outside, but we are trying to cover. So wife and husband both study Vedanta Shastra, and children also sitting and studying. And the family எப்படி இருக்கும் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க? ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும். ஆனாலும் படிக்க மாட்டானே. வைஃப் வந்த ஹஸ்பண்ட் வரமாட்டா, ஹஸ்பண்ட் வந்த வைஃப் வரமாட்டா. வைஃப் அண்ட் ஹஸ்பண்ட் comes, children won't come. Children comes, wife and parents won't come. That is why Sunday. Every Sunday What is there, Anna? Anna, Atma Ajnanataha, Avivekataha. That is why every family must study Vedanta. Not one student. Whole family must study. Swamini, adi mudiyada karyam. Okay, doesn't matter. Leave it. What to do? Okay, next shloka. 202. Bhogyānam bhoktrusheshatvat ma bhogyeshvanurajyatam bhoktaryeva pradhanetah anuragam tam vidhissati. All are gems like slokas. Therefore what? Since Adhara Chaitanyam and Abhasa Chaitanyam both mixed together only, Bhokta, we are playing the role. One must recognize the Adhara Chaitanyam. This fake Bhoktrutvam which Ahankara does not want to give up, we have to teach a lesson to this Ahankara. Turn your Anuraga from Bhoga Vishaya, which Bhokta, this fake Bhokta want, turn it to another one. What is that another one? Atma. Whatever is said as Atma in Vedanta, it is said as Bhagavan in Puranas. So, Bhogya to Bhokta. We have turned our, Vidyaranya turned our attention to Bhogya to Bhokta. Bhogya Vastu. We are all looking at Bhogya Vastu, no? This, that and all. Check who is this Bhokta. Who is seeking for Bhogya Vastu? Bhogya Vastu is false. It doesn't exist without Bhokta. Who is this Bhokta? Bhokta is also falsified. Finally, turn your attention from Bhokta to false Bhokta to Bhagavan. Ella bha varade. Bhogya prapancha to Bhokta to Bhagavan. Bhagavan. Look into the shloka. Bhogyānam bhoktru seshatvad. All bhogya padarthas meant for bhokta. All your possessions in your house, bhogya vastus, meant for what? Bhokta. Husband is meant for wife, wife is meant for husband, children are meant for parents, parents are meant for children. Similarly, sofa, fridge, TV, everything. All are bhogyam. Parungo, TV bhogyam anna vastu anna nanna irukku Swamini. Okay, bhogya vastu. Fridge, bhogya vastu. Okay. Phone, bhogya vastu. Okay. Cell phone, bhogya vastu. Okay. Computer, bhogya vastu. Okay. Okay. Your wife also bhogya vastu for you. Your husband is also a bhogya vastu for you. Put your hand on your heart. Ask your inner conscience. Previous shloka cholli vechirke. Are they not bhogya vastu to you? Yosikare. Yosichi cholli apram. They are also bhogya vastu. Bhogyānam bhoktru seshatvat. For the sake of bhokta, ma bhogyeshu anurajyatam. Therefore, love bhokta first. Don't love bhogya vastu. Turn your love from bhogya vastu to bhokta. First lesson. Bhogyānam bhoktru seshatvat. Bhokta only remained. Without bhokta, where is bhogyam? I am important or someone bhogya vastu is important? Tell me. I am only important. I am bhokta. Bhoktru seshatvat. Ma anurajyatam bhogyeshu. May you not revel in bhogya vishaya. May you not revel in Bhogya Vishaya. That's why after some time, honey also becomes sheni and again. Bhogya Vishaya. Because you are loving the body-mind complex. It is a Bhogya Vastu. We are thinking it is real. That Bhokta thinking misunderstanding this Bhokta real, this Bhokta, das Bhokta Kalyana. Gatti madam pandi ore Sunday aparanna. Ye aparanna. Bhokta fake come together. Not understanding Sakshi Chaitanyam. Bhokta came together and fighting every day. Class work out. You are going there, therefore I won't come. Some husbands are like that. Wife pore edathukku husband pomata. Husband pore edathukku wife pomata. Yen avar engo porar paithyan. Avar appadi nenappa. Indha amma engo poyindirka posto. And they consider each other useless. Villila sollamata direct. Na paathandiri Swami 35-50 years avar appadida. என்ன அப்படி भोक्तृशेषत्वात् भोग्यानां तस्मात् भोग्येषु मा अनुरज्यताम्. May you not revel, may you not be attached to that bhogya vishaya. Second line, bhoktari eva pradhane ataha, therefore tam bhoktari eva. Printing mistake in second line, it's not clear. Bhoktari eva. Not printing mistake, but some refa is not clearly there. Bhoktari eva pradhani bhoktari eva bimbanande ityarthaha bhoktari eva. Where is this bhokta without Kotastha Chaitanyam? Where is bhokta? So bhoktari eva bimbanande eva Vishaya Saptami. Pradhane ataha anuragam tam vidhitsati. Shastra prescribe. May you develop love for bhokta, not for bhogyam. Don't love your husband. Don't love your wife. Love for wife is not for wife's sake. Love for wife is for husband's sake only. Husband love wife for his sake. Wife loves her husband for her sake. Therefore, love yourself. Love yourself first. Then you love for Sakshi Chaitanyam later. That comes in the next class. So, Sakshi Chaitanyam direct chollamale Bhagavan and cholrar. Next shlokana adi introduce panni porar. May you develop love, anuragam, attachment towards bhokta. Then you recognize who is real bhokta. Then you come to know Kotastha Chaitanya. Real love comes only when you become a jnani. Until you become a jnani, your love is not a love, but I allow you that love until you get jnana. Upanishad allows that love for anatma, bhokta, until they come to atma. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.